Eh, gana.
Be ready, be ready, be ready, be ready, be ready. Inside, inside, be ready. Be ready, be ready. Wait now, wait now, wait now. Not yet, Kiwi, not yet. Wait, wait. Wait now, wait now.
6 to 15.
Ready inside. Wait, 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 wait. Ready your potion, okay? Ready potion. Def. Ready inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. And then kabak.
On DPS, AP at the gate.
Hammer. Yo, who's that support on the north side running?
Ako to.
Okay.
10% broken na.
Yeah. Kill the guards here. QW, careful over the walls.
Ready Spirit Hunter mo ah.
Saan Spirit Hunter natin?
Ako.
Asan ka ba?
Pinakamagaling. Hi!
Ay, ready ka?
Yeah.
Ready.
RB mo, AFK.
Yeah, who's my RB?
Next yun. AFK sa gate.
No. They're waiting for inside, yeah. Eugene, keep scouting, ah.
Andito ako slope 6 to 15.
Andun yung RB mo, nasa northwest.
Baka
Come,
naman
boss.
to, may counter kanina.
Hayaan mo, come. Careful. Ready, was shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Was shallow now. Shallow me. Come back. Come inside. Ready your pots. Ready potion. Nice stuff. Good. They missed. Hammer. Hammer here.
Guys, come in southeast wall.
Careful. Ready your defense. They're resetting, okay? No.
Stop. Stopping.
Yo, no. If you don't have defensive, okay, be ready. Careful. They coming. They're looking. Nice guard rune.
One scout
50%.
from Zumba Alliance.
Broken na.
Okay. Yo, come. Wait. Slowly. Hold now. Hold. Nice.
Okay, nakalaw kalaban.
Yo, ready, West. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. West on me. Notice it. Wait, ready. Sangkay. Not yet. Ready your defense. Yo, spread. Full spread. Potion. Walk in. We have next turn. Potion walk in. Heals inside. Ready inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest down. And then come northeast. Go inside northeast. If you die trigger. Come northeast. Yo, QW, yeah. QW. Come northeast. Come inside, boys. Come inside. Trust me. Come inside. Ready. South. Look. South. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. Blow this up. Kabak. Sangkay. Def. Defense. Nice defense. Heals inside. I have my Judy inside. Come northwest. Yo, full push northwest. Ready. 5 seconds. Full push northwest. Ready inside. Potion now. Drink your potion. 5. Inside. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. And then full push inside. Get off the middle. If you don't have cleric, get off the middle. If you don't have cleric, get off the middle. Yo, brawl them now. Brawl them here. Brawl the inside. Brawl the inside. Kefang. Sangkay. Brawl the inside. Yeah, I know. Brawl the inside. Come SE. Ready inside. Tell me tawa. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this up first. Guys, you need to drop your E. Sangkay. Heal underdog north side. Sangkay. Get out the middle. Move to the sides, boys. Sangkay sides. Ready, potion.